Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to introduce you to this new crypto investment website, which have the feature of automatic investments, deposits, withdrawal, different deposit plan, and so on. So as you can see now, this is the front end of the website, the front page of the website. And you can see the website already has content and everything is already pictures and everything is already there for you, set up for you. So you don't have to stress yourself about adding content and looking for pictures to add on the site. So this is the front end. You can see the design is very nice and very nice. So it's a multiple page websites. So this is the home page and this is about our company. You see about us, and we also have just wait for it to load. It's loading. All right, this is the battles page, and we also have investment packages with cryptocurrency, pension funds, forex, and here we have the affiliates, and here we have accounts. So you can open an account and you can just log in. So for this video now, let me show you to user dashboard. Let me show you how everything works. So let me log into my account here now. All right, just wait for it to load. Okay, it's loading. Let me log into my account now. So click on login. All right, so click on login. Okay, access granted. Okay. Okay, you can see it's loading. Please wait. All right, and you can see the user dashboard now. So yeah, we have the total earn of $2,000, total deposit and $800, added deposit of $20, and total withdrawal of $208. All right, so in back here now, you can see your Bitcoin balance of 100, Ethereum balance of 12, Litecoin balance 25, Doge balance of $100, and then perfect money payer on Bitcoin Cash. As you can see, this website has a lot of features. So and you can see here the minimum deposit on this side is 50, the minimum withdrawal is $1, and the withdrawal time actually takes 24 hours. Then deposit in cryptocurrency visible after 3 blocking confirmation, then referral commission 10%. So users earn 10% of their referrals earnings. So as you can see now, all these details can actually be edited from the admin side. So I will show you guys that in a bit. So next thing I will do now is to make show you all the pages in the website, then show you how it actually works. So as you can see here, this is your referral link. You can share it to your user and you earn 10% of their earnings. So first thing now is to make an investment. Click on that. All right. So click on investment. You see we have all these plans here. We have the beginner plan, premier plan, VIP plan, VVIP plan, unlimited plan. So all these plans can be added from the admin side. So admin has full access over this website. So for this now, just to choose the premier plan. So as I said before, minimum how this actually website actually works that when you make a deposit and your deposit are approved, your investment starts running automatically. So basically that is how it works. So for this now, I'm going to click on Bitcoin, deposit on $100. So make a deposit, click on that. So as you can see now, these are the details of the investment. So after you have made your deposits, you can enter your transaction ID here. You can say, okay, enter my transaction ID. After making deposit, then click on submit. As you can see, deposit successful. Please wait for admin approval. So once admin confirm your deposits and approve it, your investment start counting automatically. So that is that about that. So the next thing I'm talking about, you click my deposits. You can see your total deposits on the site. All right. So these are all your deposits on the site you have made. So withdraw funds. So you can place a withdrawal now. You can see there's different methods here: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Doge. So that's the method you can use to withdraw. So click on Bitcoin. Minimum withdrawal is 10. You can't put anything less than that. So just withdraw the 10. So withdraw funds. So you withdraw sent successfully. Wait for admin approval. So once the admin sends, once your money has been sent to your address, then to be approved. So basically that is that for that. So next thing I click on my referrals. So my referrals now you see the total referrals you have on the site. So you can see client status clients, you can see your upline person that refer you and see total referral 0, then 0. Alright, so that's that about this. So transaction history, you can see all the transaction history you have made on the site, your deposit, your withdrawal, all that. So this what everything is. So wallet settings. So this way to set. So the way the site works that you have to set your what do you call it, your withdrawal address, your withdrawal, your Bitcoin address or your Ethereum or your Litecoin address before you can make withdrawal. So you have to set this here. So you can just come here and just put your Litecoin address here, then click on save settings. Then you can also change your password here. As you can see your username here, then registration date and all that. So basically, this is how the user side works. So the next thing I'm going to show you now is to how the admin can has full access over the website. So go to the admin side right now. Right. So let me log in to the admin dashboard. Okay. So click on login. All right. So this is the admin dashboard. So total users in the site is 6. Total withdrawal 268. Total deposit of $20. So that's that. So the first thing we'll talk about is the manage users. So manager is consider total number of users you can fund, edit and delete. So for this now, this is my account. Let me fund this account. So you can see my Bitcoin balance 23. So you can just put 100 here. That's $100 worth of Bitcoin. My balance. So click on submit. All right. See fund added successfully. So that is that. So we can also see edit the user details. You can see you can edit the user's full name, username, email, and password for that. So I'm not going to do that now. So let's go back. I can also see delete a user too. So you can delete a user and all that. So the next thing is to talk about deposit request. So click on your pending deposit. Click on the pending deposit. You can see all the total number of users that have made deposits on the site. So just have to approve it. Where's mine? Where's mine? Where's mine? Okay. Yeah, this is mine. So you just click on approve. Okay. Okay, deposits are approved successfully. So once the deposits have been approved, investments will start counting automatically. So you don't have to manually start funding the account by yourself. All profit will be added to the balance. So if you make investments with Bitcoin, your Bitcoin balance will be added to your Bitcoin. If you make investments with Ethereum, it will be added to your Ethereum balance. So basically that's how it works. The next thing I will talk about now is the withdrawal. So withdrawal request. So let's see. So withdrawal request. So click on pending withdrawal. So just click that. So you can see all the withdrawals on the site and you can also still approve it. So say this was mine recently, so just click on approve, write an action, okay, then voila, transaction has been approved successfully. So that is how that works. And if you click on here approve deposit, you can see the total approved deposit on the website. So that's that about that. So the next thing, let's talk about the plans. So click on view plans. So the plans are actually the investment packages on the website. So you can see the beginner plan, 6% increase, duration 9 days, premium plan, VIP, VIP unlimited plan. So you can actually see update this and also see delete. So I'm to update this now. Let's see. Just wait for it to load. So you can change this to like 3% and click on update. And you can also see add a new plan. You can name the plan name, the percentage increase, and the duration. So let me add a plan name, increase, and duration. Then click on add package. So basically that's how that works. So the next thing is the wallet. So the wallet is actually the address user will make payments to when how to make a deposit. So you see here, this is the Bitcoin address. You can just edit this, then the LTC, Ethereum, and the Ethereum. So Doge and Ethereum. So you can just do that. So the next thing now is to come settings. So SNTP settings. The SNTP settings is actually you have to set this so that users can receive mail when they make a deposit, withdraw, and all that. So just set this up with your correct details. Then the site settings can edit the site name, site URL, referral commission, minimum withdrawal, and minimum deposit. Then click on submit. And you can also still update the logo from the site from here. So you can just click on here, look for the logo, then update it and to show here. Then the account setting is so I did the admin details, though the email and the password. So basically, this is how the site actually works. And next thing I'm going to show you guys how to install this for yourself and or for your clients. So let's get started now. Okay, the first thing I need to log into your cPanel. Once you log into your cPanel, it'll bring you out to the dashboard and click on File Manager. All right, so just wait for it to load. File Manager. Okay, it's loading. All right, so then click on File Manager. Go to public underscore HTML. Click on that and click on Upload. Once you upload the zip file and I've extracted the file, it should be here like this. So mine inside a folder, then you can leave it inside the folder and you can actually put it in the main directory. So you can select this, then move this and move it. So be inside the main directory. So but I'm not going to be doing that. Okay, sorry. I'm not going to be doing that. So just leave it as like that. So this is my file here. So next thing now, after I start your file, this is how it will look. So next thing now is go to the installation guide. So there's an installation guide for you in case you don't understand what to do. So let's open this now. Let's see. All right. Let's see. You can see download and extract the zip file into your public directory or subfolder. I see mine inside a folder. Then create database. So let's create a new database. So go back here, click on search for database wizard. Click on that. Just wait for it to load. Okay, it's loading. All right. You just have to put the database name. You can just name it anything. Maybe say TB, then click on next. Then you create the user, then the password. So user, you can name it user or anything you want. Then you can also see generate a password or write anything you want. So generate a password, then copy this, then click on copy this password, then use password, then click on create user, then allow all privileges, then make changes. Then you are done with that. So the next thing now is to upload your SQL file. So the SQL file is inside the SQL folder. So just look for the SQL folder. Okay, look at it here. So download this. Just right click this, double click this, and download to your computer. Then go back to this place. Back to this place. Then search for PHP my admin. Just wait for it to load. Then look for the file name, the database name you created. Mine was DB, so just click on that. Then click on import. Once you click on import, select where that file you downloaded is, then that is it. So after you have done that, you should go back to the installation guide and see what next. So okay, to set up a database connection, to look for a folder called config, then functions to PHP, sorry, db.php, edit that. So all those details you created just now, then you can just paste the password here, the username and the database name and username, then click on save. So that is that about that. So the next thing now is to set up our automatic investment. So before that, copy this command here, copy this command, go back to this place and search for cron. Okay, cron job. So click on that. Click on that. All right, so to set this up, click on this part and say once per 5 minutes. Click on that. Then that command you copy just now, then just paste it here. Then this site URL is to the part where your site is. So mine was web.com slash mine was a folder, so you can say specify the folder name. So this is actually where the site is. So this is it. So this is where mine is. Just click on add new Chrome. So after I've done that, if you follow this step well, so your automatic investment should be running and everything should be working perfectly. So that is all for this video, and bye. See you in the next one.